So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll cover this amazing lab. So simply click on start lab and just open the cloud console incognito window, and if you want to enable this yellow check my progress bar, always check the lab description, I mean video description. Now just open the cloud console incognito window. Now the first thing you have to do is just click on it to activate the cloud shell. Here simply click on continue and then just authorize yourself. So just wait for it, click on continue, click on authorize, and now wait for the Cloud Shell to fully activate. And in the description box of this video, I've shared one GitHub repository. We'll be using that only. So just come over here, scroll down and just select it from here. Also do join our social handles for any queries. Now just paste it, hit enter. Now wait for this command to. So finally here you can see all these things are done. Now let's come back again to the lab instruction and simply check the score. So here you can clearly see we have got the score, and that's the way we have to complete the lab. Do like the video and subscribe the channel, and have a great day ahead.